felt tired after playing a round of Fortnite? Have you ever felt sluggish? Then get a bottle of Slurp Juice. Just like in the game of Fortnite, this product will bring back your energy instantly with a small sip. Slurp Juice comes in a new apple juice flavor. Kids will love this product. Slurp Juice is made from a gentle steroid and a doctor's prescription is recommended. Side effects include white lips, watery eyes, and dry mouth. If you like Fortnite and are feeling tired, get Slurp Juice. Get back in the game with Slurp Juice. Get your Slurp